When I have the time, I'll let you know how much you heard of me. Guess you'll never know all the pain and the heartaches I push myself through. The words I ask myself as if you only knew. The actions that you took and the verbal abuse went straight to my heart when I knew the truth. And trust me, baby girl, it hurts more than you think to know the one you love has completely changed. My mind running back on memory lane, how we used to say the dumbest things over the phone, how much we love each other and it'll never change. I see clearly now why it feels so strange. As time went by, our love lost its lust. We seem to talk less but how we feel in love. And though I notice it, my heart never changed. I still feel the same knowing it was your game. Maybe in the future you'll know what I mean, cause what goes around tends to always come around. And one day you'll know when you love a special someone, then he treats you like dirt and you'll remember my words. I gave all I could to keep us together, but I guess it wasn't enough to keep us as lovers. What more do you expect? There's nothing else to give unless you wanna take my life and my right to live. There's so many things to put a smile on your face, and when you feel sick, who is there by your side to keep you nice and warm throughout the whole night, to comfort you and shine as your light? Did you even appreciate the things I did for you, or did you just take advantage of my love for you? Do you even feel bad putting me through this pain, or did you really just took my love as a game? I have many questions that just needs one answer, and if you don't mind, just write it on paper. The purpose on this song ain't meant to make you look bad, just to let the world know you made me quite sad.
Hey, yeah. If you only knew how I felt inside, why sometimes I want it in my life, why these feelings won't just die, fighting these emotions, living these lies. And at night when I'm in need and alone, I hit you up on the phone and I get a busy tone, and I know it inside, your phone banging with another guy. Seems like the girl I fell in love with changed. Things after this will never be the same. To my heart and mind, I finally met pain. Feels like knives pouring down like rain. Consider me dead and never coming back. I'm too good for you, someone you'll never have. I always blame myself for this, but now I realize you was being selfish. You never really felt pain, you just wanted me back for the name that I gained. All the songs that I made, you made me who I am today. So I guess I'll thank you. Yeah, I'll thank you for all that bullshit you put me through.